China was the first country in the world to come up with a Transformers aircraft, and this aircraft may go down in history as a true sixth-generation fighter. Many people call this mother and child fighter the J-40 fighter, and believe that the J-40 fighter is the Chinese version of the sixth-generation fighter. This is a significant leap in development, not only for stealth fighter aircraft but also for drone technology. The People's Republic of China has long been interested in refining its weapon systems and aircraft, and the nation is pushing boundaries in terms of innovative engineering. In May 2024, news broke in the Chinese journal Advances in Aeronautical Science and Engineering that the China Aerodynamics Research and Development Center successfully tested a new stealth fighter, and it's unusual, to say the least. The new aircraft, which currently has no designation or photographs of what it might look like, is apparently more than meets the eye. The new fighter isn't merely a stealth aircraft, it's reportedly a drone mothership. During its test flight, the aircraft is said to have separated its wings to unleash two drones in the shape of a flying wing. Each drone is said to be independently powered by electric ducted fans. During the test flight, the drone separation maneuver reportedly caused flight instability due to the aerodynamic shift, but the aircraft and its drones remained airborne. This is a significant leap in development, not only for stealth fighter aircraft but also for drone technology. The ability to deploy drones from a fighter adds an entirely new level of complexity to aerial warfare, and the possibilities of what the drones may provide are almost endless, indicating the aircraft will function in tandem while supporting one another on a mission. A fifth-generation stealth fighter is, in and of itself, a remarkable piece of engineering technology. The same is true of modern UAVs, but integrating them into an airframe capable of transforming and unleashing drones could significantly increase all three aircraft's lethality. This can effectively address issues such as speed mismatch and range incompatibility between manned and unmanned aircraft, achieving complementary advantages. What's so impressive about this new approach to drone and fighter warfare is that China is alone in its development. The US has multiple drone launch capabilities, but doing so from a fighter isn't an option. The US Air Force is interested in deploying drone swarms, like the one pictured, from KC-135 tanker aircraft, which are predominantly used for refueling. If the US has a similar concept for a transforming fighter, it's keeping that information from the public, and China's revelation of its new fighter-integrated drone technology suggests it's further along than the American KC-135 plan. Regarding how this all works, the paper published in the journal states, the main aircraft connects to the leading edges of two sub-aircraft wings via a retractable separation mechanism at the main wing's trailing edge. The test flight indicates the possibility of further development, though issues related to a shifting center of gravity upon deployment remain. It's also unclear if the drones will be recoverable, or if they will be released in a fire and forget capacity to support the operation in which they're tasked. Chinese engineers have reportedly tested a new combiner blended wing stealth aircraft with detachable drone wings. After some initial instability, many people call this mother and child fighter the J-40 fighter, and believe that the J-40 fighter is the Chinese version of the sixth-generation fighter. After all, the coordinated combat between manned fighters and unmanned loyal wingmen is no longer a new concept. Even the J-20 can fly in formation with the Attack 11 drone to complete flexible and diverse combat missions. The J-40 Transformers aircraft has turned this combination of manned and unmanned aircraft into a part of the manned aircraft. Unmanned wingmen can provide manned fighters with a longer search range and more ground and sea strike methods, especially in air combat. Drone wingmen can advance to dozens of kilometers ahead of manned fighters, provide airspace awareness for manned fighters, help manned fighters detect and lock enemy aircraft at a longer distance, and prevent manned fighters from entering dangerous engagement distances. This is of great value in air combat between stealth fifth-generation fighters. The J-40 Transformers aircraft has turned this combination of manned and unmanned aircraft into a part of the manned aircraft. It can not only provide a longer flight distance for manned aircraft and unmanned aircraft, but also make it easier for manned aircraft to obtain the support of unmanned wingmen and achieve freedom of retraction and release, free retraction and release, and can choose to release or recover unmanned wingmen at any time as needed. In addition, with the addition of AI artificial intelligence operating systems in the future, if unmanned wingmen can independently decide whether to break away from the mother aircraft according to the battlefield environment, then pilots of manned fighters may be able to achieve operations such as one-click transformation and one-click strike, which will be more helpful in reducing the combat pressure of pilots and increasing the combat effectiveness of fighters. Chinese engineers have reportedly tested a new combiner blended wing stealth aircraft with detachable drone wings. After some initial instability, all three of the aircraft were able to stay airborne under their own propulsion systems, reminiscent of combiner or mini-con transformers from the 1980s and 1990s. The new stealth fighter-cum-drone mothership was tested at an undisclosed airport on the southern edge of the Muas Desert. In the event that some have called aerial warfare a redefining moment, if reports are true, the novel aircraft could indeed change aerial combat forever. The aircraft is said to stand out with its blended wing body and delta wing design, optimized for high-speed stealth operations. According to sources like the South China Morning Post SCMP, during the test, the jet demonstrated a unique ability. Sections of its wings separated to create two independent flying wing drones. Each drone was allegedly powered by its own electric ducted fans. However, this transformation initially caused a minor tremor in the fighter due to the sudden aerodynamic shift and center of gravity. After some initial instability, the main aircraft and the drones quickly stabilized, demonstrating the design's aerodynamic efficiency and the robustness of its automatic control systems. If true, this test represents a significant advancement in the new concept for the Chinese Air Force's future fighter jets. In short, China was the first country in the world to come up with a Transformers aircraft, and this aircraft may go down in history as a true sixth-generation fighter.